So we want to find out the number of moles and molecules present in 7.1 grams of chlorine. So you are given the atomic weight of chlorine as 35.5. So one chlorine atom's weight is 35.5. So chlorine molecules contain 2 chlorine atoms. So the molecular weight of chlorine will be 35.5 into 2, which will be equal to 71.1. Okay, molecular weight of chlorine will be 71.1. So how to calculate the number of moles? There is a simple relation. Number of moles of any substance is equal to mass of the substance. Mass of the substance divided by mass of the substance divided by mass of 1 mole of the substance. Mass of 1 mole of that substance. Mass of 1 mole of that substance. So what is the mass of 1 mole of chlorine? Okay, we got the molecular weight of chlorine as 71.1. I will give you a simple expression to find out the mass of 1 mole of chlorine. Mass of any substance. You simply express the molecular weight in grams. So molecular weight, if you express in gram, will be equivalent to 1 mole of the substance. This is simple relation. Molecular weight expressed in gram will be 1 mole of the substance. That means 71.1 gram of chlorine will be 1 mole of chlorine. 71 grams of chlorine will be 1 mole of chlorine. Now we can substitute the values in this equation. Mass of the substance, mass of chlorine is given as 7.1. So now we have calculated the mass of 1 mole of Cl2 as 71.1 gram. Okay. So this will be equal to 0.1 mole. This will be equal to 0.1 mole of chlorine. Okay. So first part we got how much is the number of moles present in 7.1, which is equal to 0.1. Now we want to calculate the number of molecules present in that mole. So for that we know that 1 mole of any substance will contain Avogadro number of particles. What is Avogadro number? It is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 units of that substance. Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 units of that substance. So here we got 0.1 as the value for 7.1 grams of chlorine. It contains 0.1 mole. So 1 mole, if it contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, 0.1 mole will contain this much into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 0.1, which will be equivalent to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 22, that much molecules of chlorine. That much molecules of chlorine.